This was so good. Oh, this is lovely. Thank you. And I really have enjoyed learning about the culture, and I want to support the villages, and I hope we have more young people learning the craft to keep it alive. I really recommend anybody that comes to Chiang Mai to please come and support the weaving, if they're weavers at all, or embroidery, right?
Great.
Anyway, thank you so much. I've loved the experience, and please check out their website and their Instagram and webpage and Facebook, because this is an amazing craft that needs to continue. Thank you.
Right. Great. So how many days do you spend to make this?
I spent 4 days here,
Wow.
and 4 lovely days, and I was fed amazing food for lunch.
Okay.
And May was amazing in picking out food and helping, and Mumu was wonderful. And this is
Wow.
what I produced in 4 days,
Yeah, that's so colorful.
and I'm very excited.
How do you come out with that?
Well, you know, I am funny. I saw all these, you know, the little shuttles, and I said I
Okay.
wanted to use every color. So I
Okay.
used every color here. So, yeah, lovely time. And I
Great.
highly recommend learning about backstrap looms, because young people need to know there are portable ways of weaving.
Yeah.
And this was very important because this is so transportable, I think.
And also tell me a little bit about how do you find this place? You were planning, and then
yeah.
how was that? Tell me a
We
little bit about
just-
that. Yeah.
My husband and I just Googled weaving in Chiang Mai. And so it popped up. And then we clicked on it. And then a friend of mine, believe it or not, Bonnie Brooks, has been here before, and from our weaving group. And so I talked to her about it. She said, "Oh yes, you need to come. You need to come." So that's what we booked with you. And it was a very easy process to get
Right.
booked.
Okay.
And my husband is out riding a motorbike, and I'm here weaving. So we always try to find something for me craft-wise, some kind of weaving or sewing.
Okay.
And so this was perfect because I got to weave for 4 days, and he got to ride a motorcycle for 4 days.
Yeah. So is it worth to spend your time here?
Yes.
It's worth.
Absolutely worth it. And I really appreciate that you taught about your culture and your mission of teaching people about the craft, and also about
Right.
maintaining your culture.
Yeah,
And I think
a sustainable way of keeping the culture. Yeah.
right, and I think that's so
Yeah.
important.
Right.
And I hope people will support it because it's an amazing thing.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you.